Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maggie. Today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN fall haul. I'm so excited to share with you guys everything. And let's just get straight into the video because I have so many cute things to share with you guys. Everything is amazing, great quality, super cute, so trendy, but also like staple pieces. I don't know. You'll see. So let's just jump straight into the video. All right guys, first look from SHEIN. I'm going to be styling these pants. So this is what they look like. They're basically just really form-fitting pants that are high-waisted and it flares out a little bit at the bottom, which are super trendy for this year. You know, obviously like the jeans have a little bit of flare at the bottom, I think are super cute and trendy. So, and these are the jeans. They are so like perfect fitting, hugs me perfectly. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's a size small, so it's a little bit lighter wash at the thigh area, so it kind of like makes the illusion of like, you know, it just looks like your legs are longer and whatever, and it has like a line going down the pant as well. So like all these details added together just overall make the fit of this really perfect. So yeah, I mean, I really like this, and I also have another pair similar to this, and I wear it a lot to the office. So if you guys also have, you know, like a corporate job or whatever that you need to dress like business casual and whatever, I think this pair of pants is perfect. So highly recommend for every day. Okay guys, this is the next outfit, which is so cute, like genuinely no words, obsessed. What it looks like, so cute. So this top is from SHEIN Musera, which is like a brand that they carry. Musera? Hopefully that's how you pronounce it. And it's like the most perfect chunky gray ribbed little zip up cardigan, like sweater type of thing. So it's like a sweater but it has a zipper, so I'm not sure if it's like a cardigan or a jacket, but it's knit. So many ways to call it, but yeah, I'm pairing it with silver hoops again, and in the picture the model was wearing it with a gray pleated skirt, and I literally have the perfect gray pleated skirt too. This is from APA, which I wore a lot to the office. Matches perfectly together, I feel like, just like exactly how the model had it in the picture. And I'm pairing it with my mini Yasmin bag from Vivienne Westwood, which that's how you pronounce it. I went to the Vivienne Westwood store in LA, and that's how the sales at Vivienne Westwood pronounces it, mini Yasmin. Anyways, going back to the sweater, I feel like the fit of this is perfect. It cuts you off at like your thinnest, at your waist, so the fit of it is amazing, and also not itchy at all. Like the fabric of this is perfect. I'm so excited to start wearing it. I feel like, because with the skirt, like it's very like cropped, you know, so I feel like it'll be cold in the winter. You can obviously wear this with like a pair of high-waisted pants, and I feel like it'll be perfect as well. All in all, this top looks better with the skirt, but it'll still look good with pants. I'm honestly so obsessed with this, and I love it so much. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Third outfit that I wanted to share with you all looks like this. I think it is literally perfect for this time of weather. It is essentially the cutest cropped white creamy colored fur jacket ever. I'm obsessed. It is literally the cutest color ever. It is the perfect length. The fit is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna link it down below. Once again, pairing it with my silver hoops and the previous gray cardigan, and then just some black leather pants. And it just literally is the cutest fall winter jacket ever. The perfect length, the perfect color, the perfect fits. I really am so obsessed, and it just looks so cute with, I'm wearing it with pants right now, but it would look so cute with like a dress or a skirt for the holiday season. I just have been looking for something like this, and I just think this is like the most perfect item ever. So I'm so excited to style and wear this out, because like I'm really hot wearing this right now. So it's like definitely a heavy duty jacket, guys. Like it's gonna keep you really warm in the winter, and also like perfect for this time of weather when it's not super cold yet. And yes, it is just so cute, the cutest thing ever. Okay, definitely recommend this piece to you guys. Guys, this is another really adorable top that I wanted to share with you guys. It's this blazer, actually. Obsessed with this blazer, oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. It is just a gray cropped blazer, and this is from Misguided. So once again, really great brand. Like the quality of this blazer is a lot better than like Dazzy, which is like a pro tip for shopping on SHEIN. This is from Misguided, and I went to work today. I was wearing my Wilfred blazer from Aritzia, but you know, now I'm filming this now, and I just feel like this is such a good quality blazer as well. It's just cropped. It's very versatile because I feel like I can wear this to the office, obviously with a pair of pants, but I can also do something like this where I'm just wearing like a tube top inside or a tank top or whatever, and then I'm wearing like a little skirt. It'll be like a really cute outfit as well. Since it's getting really, really cold in Canada, I feel like the only way for me to wear this is with pants. But next year, when it's like spring, summer, I feel like it'll be so cute with like a skirt as well. And I just think the quality of this is amazing. Also, the cut of this is perfect as well. It's very like boxy, if you can see. It's like, you know, a little wider, but something about the fit of this, like the angles of it, it makes it look right. Like, it just fits so well, and you can also button it up. It's got some shoulder padding. Yes, it has shoulder padding in it, which is great because it just makes your shoulders look really, really nice as well. Very like wide, nice shoulders with the shoulder pads. Yeah, so I really, really like this item and highly, highly recommend it. All right, guys, this item is just a pair of boots that I wanted to share with you guys. These boots literally tie everything together. Look at how cute they are. They're just these big, chunky boots with like some buckles on the side, but it's so freaking adorable because it's kind of like that really big, chunky layered effect, which is like really in nowadays. And I feel like the entire shape of it is perfect because I feel like the length of it is perfect as well. Like, it hits you right under the knee. So yeah, it is so nice, super comfy. It's platform. Yeah, like the inside is actually super squishy and comfy. So really, really love it. Yeah, I've been looking for a pair of boots like this for so long, and I'm just so glad that I now have it. And it literally ties the entire look together because I just feel like it needs like a chunkier boot. And so this literally does the job. See, I don't know if you can get a better look at it like that. Like, it just, that's essentially what it looks like. And yeah, I love the length. I have another pair similar to this, also from SHEIN. When I wore it out, I got so many compliments on it. So yeah, this is basically what it looks like, and I'm just so obsessed. This outfit is not from SHEIN. The top is from Eternay, and the skirt's from Chew. My bag is from By Far, and I'm obsessed. Like, look at how cute this pair of boots is. So I'll have this link down below. They have several different styles, I feel like similar to this, but I just feel like this one is the cutest. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys had as much fun watching as I did filming. I love these pieces so, so much. I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms, always linked in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.